Hello, welcome back. Today is an unboxing. This is the unboxing of box 7, the July subscription box. You'll also see them called month boxes or journal boxes on social media. These boxes are in conjunction with or in collaboration with Goeters Hart. So let's have a look what's inside the pizza box. As always with these boxes, we try to minimize plastic packaging. We try and make packaging reusable, even the box is reusable. And then we start off with a nice bit of crunch. I'm going to unpack everything and then we can go through the items one by one. These boxes are always jam-packed, so take care when unpacking your box to not disregard something and look in all the packages and the things. It's as much a sensory experience as it is about getting the item, so it's really a gift to yourself. Let's just start. Brown paper parcel, and it's finished with a ticket. Let's open it. So again, everything is reusable. I mean, the detail, even the little staple is a rose gold one. Put that to one side. So inside there's a whole selection of tickets, vintage inspired tickets. So these are all of the vintage inspired tickets, bingo cards. This is a stamped set, blank at the back so you can journal. Another set. These are little embellished or altered cloakroom tickets. And then there's a set of 4 scrapbook paper stickers. Some of them are double-sided and some of them are blank. So that's the first item. Second item is an envelope, and it's got a little pocket. It says "The Stars Shine For You." That's a fabric pocket. Tucked in there is a tearing ruler, 20 centimeter tearing ruler. You can see the serrated edge. It's got an embellished paper clip, flag, and then inside is a bundle of 4 craft tags, and they're held with the ball chain, a little bit of seam binding. And then there's an embellished vintage style tag. These are all good size tags. This one is 7.5 by almost 11. So that's another item. Another little lunch bag, embellished. It's got a doily, gold paper clip, embellished tag, and then you open it. So no plastic so far. Beautiful little tea-dyed and embellished origami dress embellishment. A mini envelope with something tucked in. Seed envelope, and inside there's some spools and buttons. It's a real voyage of discovery with all the little packets. It's a pink tag, chalk label, journaling card in the form of a postcard, and a guest check. Another large lunch bag, that one's stamped with a dome and a butterfly. And then there are some items inside. So there's a writing pad, A5 writing pad. This one's got a gardening theme. There are also some woodland themed ones. sheet of washi stickers, and those are all little text and music paper. And then this is a floral stamp. You'll see the owner of the box's name. There was a choice of stamps this month, flowers or swirls, and you could choose. So occasionally there are choices in the box, and then we let the subscribers know to choose. Also keep in mind, when we use vintage items, obviously to repeat the vintage items would not be possible. So it would be of a theme and of a sort, but it wouldn't necessarily be the same item. I've got another little packet embellished with a stamp. Lots to discover and explore in these boxes. These are all cardstock and chipboard die cuts or embellishments. So there's corners and there's flourishes and frames all in this little bag. And then the next item is it's a wallpaper sample book. The pieces are, there's up to 22 by 28 and not much smaller, and it ranges in colors and style. There's some florals, there's some embossed. These are all imported wallpapers, high-end wallpapers, really nice textures, vintage colors, quite versatile. Again, finished with a little charm. So lots of detail. And then this month we also had a nice, this is a double-sided fussy cut sheet, and this was kindly provided by Kim from K Craft. So thank you very much for that little extra that we could include this month. That's the sort of items that you can expect from journaling boxes. They are intended to be journaling boxes. As such, we anticipate that the subscribers use the items, so there will definitely be tags, tuck spots, labels, stickers, things that form the basis for journals and that get used again and again. And then we also hope to expand your tools and expose you to new things that you might not have tried in the past. For instance, in this case, the wallpaper. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for subscribing every month. It really, to say that the boxes have been sold out since the very first month is fantastic, and we keep on growing. The boxes are 240 Rand a month with postage or courier of your choice on top of that. We hope to welcome you as a subscriber soon. Bye-bye.